Am I the only one that didn't know Zimbabwe's government workers are turning to street vending just to survive? With inflation skyrocketing and salaries lagging behind, many government employees are forced into side hustles as street vendors. But there's a catch. Authorities often crack down on these vendors, leading to constant cat-and-mouse chases with law enforcement. One worker said, "Our salaries aren't enough. We have no choice but to sell goods on the streets to survive." With the cost of living soaring, will the government act or will the game continue? What do you think? Comment below.